magical air. Welcome, everyone.
You tell me where to sing, okay? You're Irish. 1, 2, 3. If you're Irish, come into the fire. There's a welcome there for you. And if your name is Timothy or Pat, as long as you come from Ireland, there's